the view. Keep looking, see if you see anything. You see Space Mountain? Yeah, that's Space Mountain. What else do you see?
I see the castle.
What are you doing?
I'm dancing to that music.
Hey everybody, it's Amanda.
And it's Mike.
And it's Tanya.
And we are...
How you doing?
So we are at Magic Kingdom today, and we are just hanging out and spending time with our loved ones for Valentine's Day and going on our favorite rides that we love. So let's go on a little adventure.
Hey dude. What ride are we going on?
Barnstormer.
Oh, okay. We're going on Barnstormer? Yeah, is that what this one's called? Whoa, whoa, I see your eyeball. Whoa, and your other eyeball. Oh, you're gonna go forward.
Oh, you see my nose.
Your boogers in your nose?
Let's do the booty dance. Next one, what should we do? Oh, yeah, more. Alright, what are we doing next? Oh, we're gonna hop? Josiah, can you do the hustle? Alright, hold on, stand still. He's coming back for us. Pull down.
Here we go. already did. Okay. So what'd you think? What's wrong? Are we going it again? It's a long wait again.
What do you got?
Mickey bar.
Are you excited? Daddy, what do you got?
A Mickey ice cream sandwich.
Are you excited?
So excited for my sandwich.
So we're at Sunshine Tree Terrace, and this is the line for Jungle Cruise. No thanks. Did you have a good day? Yeah. Ready to go home?